So a few days ago, Gento had been, on a, I don't want to say hot seat, but a lot of challenges is coming his way. And some are celebrating that, especially those DOS members. They have been trying their best to nail him, to pin him down, to make it look like he's a scapegoat. He's the problem of Southeast. Remember, they told you that PM is the problem. Master Manepa was the problem. Mazakano was what? That was the time the Mazakano was the problem. The insecurity going on is because of Master Namadekano. Then from there they moved to PM. Now they are now going after Gento. I don't know why our people are like that. Honestly, we are the only tribe in entire Nigeria that always showcase our strength on our own brothers and sisters. Reason is best known to them that are doing that. But it's very, very shameful and so heartbroken because we already know that our land is in the verge of, of taking over by those who believe that Allah gave them to them. We know all those things, yet we are still hurting ourselves down. Gento has been explaining himself about the recent trending voice note. Yes, I don't like it. That voice note, I don't like it. But I'm not here to discuss more about it because it is out, it is out. And here, let me make it clear, please. We don't promote violence or support any criminality or any manipulation, any killing of any type. We don't support kidnapping. Please, anybody that is doing that, you're on your own. We know that not only Igbo land is in danger, not only Igbo land is facing the challenges, we understand it, but everybody have their own way of handling it. And according to the way the Nigeria has been restructured, every zone have their own peculiar problem. Every zone have their own challenges, though in one country. But we cannot shy away from our own challenges. We know that the only tribe being hated and being, targeted is Igbo, number one, before any other one. If you are not Igbo and somehow you are being targeted, it's either you are close to Igbo people or they perceive you as more Igbo than others. So, number one, recipient of this, organized attack is Igbo people. But why is it so easy for them? Because we have some elements in our midst that are enabling them, that are actually helping this nonsense to keep on going. If you want to live, the best way to live is to make sure that you avoid problem and to make sure that you are not after anybody's problem. We don't ask what does not belong to us. We actually want everybody to live in peace. Like me, for example, I don't support anybody attacking any other nation or going after anybody's life. Yorubas have a very vast land. They live in their own space and they operate in their own space. Hausa the same thing. In fact, they see the way they draw Nigerian map, Igbo seems to be the least, which I disagree because I don't believe in Nigerian map. I believe that our land, our space, the portion they gave us in the map is too small. That is me. Some may say no because it is well measured before drawing the map. I don't believe it. If they can use the way they're manipulating the election results to know how they will manipulate the map to make you look small, and they carve every zone to other states. If you come to Enugu, they carve some Enugu people to other states. Ebonyi State, they carve some Ebonyi State to other states. If you go to Imo, they carve Imo to other states. In Anambra, the same. So you cannot just write it off. You cannot just write it off. There's a organized plan against Igbo people. And this is why you need to be very careful as an Igbo man to know when you are in the name of condemning. You condemn crime, yes, quite all right, it's good. But the thing is that know the level of what you are trying to talk about. I'm saying it because of the recent voice note of Ebu Kodike. I don't know if he's Igbo man or not, but anybody can claim anything because I'm not surprised though, because we have seen this in the past. But why must we be problem of our own? And if you are trying to replicate what happened in the 1960s, during the time of Ojukwu, the challenge that he faced from his own brothers, even from the Sikh as well. If you want to replicate that, remember that the challenge that we are facing today was not there in the 60s. Nobody was planning to invade our land, you know, so desperate to invade our land the way they're doing it. Maybe they have the intention then, but it's not as open as it is now. And you know all those things, and you're trying to volunteer yourself for nonsensical act. It is shocking. Highly, highly shocking. Now, the issue of Okigwe will do this, Okigwe will do that, or in the name of getting down Gento and other Biafrans. Why? I don't understand. If you claim that he has committed a crime, why don't focus on the crime that you claim that he has committed? And since you are operating from Nigerian government, okay, you are operating from Nigerian government, what you should have done is to use that Nigerian government that you're talking about, is sue Gento then. Or maybe arrest him. Not looking for how to buy. You say that somebody is buying innocent people, but you are trying to buy innocent people because somebody buy innocent people. What is the difference between you and the person you are condemning? Biafrans in Okigwe, they buy Igbo you to run this job, do this, run away. Threat everywhere. From your own brother, who is not even a military man. It's not good at all. It's not good at all. We need to also, as an Igbo person, you need to rethink, understand. Benue people are looking for people like Gento. Plateau don't have people like Gento. If you want to go out because you hate Gento, you hate PM, you want to show them that you are also a man. Bodige, Bosifike Dara, or Bosifike Mere, Achawadike. Think about it though. And there's an update from another Biafran Liberation Army in Okigwe. What they said is that's why we're here. I'm gonna bring to you this video so you can also listen. Let's hear this, our brother, what he has to say.
Of course, of Biafras all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Today's date being 3rd of August 2025. Please, if you get this information, please help me and share it so that if you have a brother or sister living in Okigwe, like this axis I'm going to show you now, I'm going to mention now. This axis like Ebletiti, Ako, Omololo, Ihube, all these places in Okigwe. Please, if you have a brother living there, please tell them Shupake, there's a very serious war going on in Okigwe right now. Please, this video I'm going to show you now, just watch and see how the war have been going on. And now, currently now, there's a good achievement from Biafran Liberation Army that have neutralized the Zeus terrorists. Comment, just watch this video, comment and share, please. Don't hesitate to comment. Don't hesitate to love your brother. Don't hesitate to support Biafran Liberation Army. Thank you, and God bless you.
Biafrans all over the world and lovers of freedom all over the world, we greet you all. Like we are announcing the ongoing war in Biafra land between the Biafran Liberation Army and the Nigerian Zoo terrorists. Today, the Biafran Liberation Army have succeeded in collecting 2 arms from the Nigerian terrorist force, and they cannot deny it, as the war is still going on in Okigwe and in the whole Biafra land. Like you are hearing the news of what is happening in Oso and in Owerri State. We are here happy to announce the victory of the men on ground, because today's war is a very nice one and it goes well because we have succeeded. 3rd of August. The zoo are not going to deny it. Today we confronted them man to man, face to face, army to army, gun to gun, weapon to weapon. And their reinforcement is heavily coming, trooping in Okigwe. I want to use this opportunity to tell the people and the citizens of Okigwe to be very careful. You know, anytime we confront the zoo military in uniform, the only thing they have to do is to attack the innocent civilians. And we are happy, and we are not going to retreat, and we are not going to surrender. No matter how they prepare to come to attack us, we, the Biafran Liberation Army, we are going to resist them. We are going to defend our fatherland, and we are going to attack the zoo and make sure that all the zoo are gone in Biafra land. I greet you, my fellow and wonderful people of Biafra. I am happy to announce this great achievement, and I am still telling you that the war is going on. If you are coming in Okigwe, you better be careful and mind how you move in Okigwe as is, because the Nigerian zoo are only targeting the innocent civilians. Thank you.
So that is the update. But let me make it clear, we are not here to promote violence. We are not here to support any killing of anybody. Okay? What we do is to report this kind of issue so that people will be aware, especially the innocent people who are not even aware of what is going on because they call it war of arbitration or whatever they call that, secret movement, buying youth for nothing. And this is why we are bringing it to you, so that those that live in those areas being mentioned from this Biafran Liberation Army should also be very, very careful, just to save life, And the reason why this war is going on is because of Nigerian state. The reason is because they know what to do to avoid this kind of, going back and forward and all that. This is how the Boko Haram, started. But though the difference is that Boko Haram, their own is to terrorize, whereas Biafran's issue is for freedom, and they focus on Biafran region. They have not crossed any other people's land. That is why they need to, do the needful, at least to release mass number they can, to calm the whole thing down and make sure that everything is, move in a way in accordance to, with the plan. They're not going after innocent people. You think that if you imagine like, for how long are you going to kill the youth? If you finish killing the youth that have maybe any boys that is up to 12 years, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, upward and all that, so you stop Biafrans from bearing children, isn't it? It doesn't work. See, you are just promoting postponing the evil. And the more you kill, the more you aggravate the whole issue, because people will feel aggravated, because the more you are doing that, it will trigger more anger. People will not see more reason to even fight back. That is just the truth. It is normal, natural phenomenon, and those who know can tell you this. It's not about promoting anything. I'm not promoting anything. I'm just trying to remind Nigerian security forces to stop this kind of buying people. There's no need for that. We are all human beings. We are all human beings. If Nigeria is to strive, those in the power should have done what they're supposed to do. But if they choose this way, honestly, I don't think it is the best. This is my personal opinion, though. So please make sure you like it and let me know what you think about it. God bless you and see you again. Bye-bye for now.